The marketing machine for Bro Spark knows exactly how to get inside your head when you are scrolling through social media late at night. You see these flashy claims about premium quality and lightning fast shipping. They even throw in a 60-day money-back guarantee to make you feel safe. It looks like a win-win on the surface, but my gut told me to look closer before I pulled out my credit card. I spent hours digging through the digital weeds to see if the reality matched the hype. The official website shouts that thousands of people are obsessed with what they are selling. However, when you actually hunt for those thousands of voices, they seem to vanish into thin air. I found myself staring at a review page for their marketing branch with a decent rating of 4 stars. That sounds great until you realize only a handful of people have actually left a review. We are talking about a tiny group. It is basically the digital version of asking your cousin and your next door neighbor if they like a restaurant. You cannot build a solid reputation on 3 or 4 opinions. Some people mentioned the service was professional for setting up an online business. That part is encouraging. It shows there is a real operation behind the curtain. But a small sample size is a massive red flag in the world of online shopping. You need a mountain of evidence before you trust a new brand with your hard-earned cash. The internet is full of these shiny objects that promise the world and deliver a headache. I am not saying it is a total disaster yet. I am saying you should keep your wallet closed for just a little bit longer. Do not let a polished website distract you from the lack of actual customer history. I have seen this pattern 100 times before. A company launches with a big splash and a lot of bold promises. They use generic stock photos and high-energy copy to create a sense of urgency. You feel like you are missing out on the next big thing. Then you dig in and find the trail goes cold. It makes me wonder where those thousands of happy customers are hiding. Are they real? Are they just part of the marketing script? I am currently testing a bunch of these trending products to see which ones actually hold up under pressure. Some of the other ones I have looked at recently are even more suspicious than this one. You have to be a detective these days just to buy a simple gadget or a service online. Trust is the most expensive thing you can give a company. Do not hand it over just because they have a nice logo and a 60-day promise. I will keep digging into this brand so you do not have to gamble your own money. The next deep dive is going to reveal some even wilder discrepancies in how these companies present themselves versus how they actually operate. People get caught up in the excitement of a new launch. They forget that the digital world is built on smoke and mirrors sometimes. I want to see a history of satisfied users before I give a thumbs up. A 4-star rating is meaningless if only 3 people weighed in. That is not a consensus. That is a coincidence. We need to demand more transparency from these startups. If they are as good as they say, the proof should be easy to find. Instead, I found a trail that led to more questions than answers. I am going to stay on this path until I find the truth about these viral trends. Stay sharp and do your own homework before you hit that checkout button.